In the last video, I have discussed about the reverse pattern. Well, we can clearly see that there are 3 blank spaces in the first row, 2 in the second row and 1 in the third row. This means as the number of row increases, the number of blank spaces decreases. To solve this problem, I came up with a single function for spaces which is n minus I. For example, in the first row, there are 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 blank spaces. In the second row, there are 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 blank spaces. And in the third row, there is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 blank space. And this function works perfectly well for determining the number of blank spaces. To start printing, we need to run 2 loops. The first loop is used to print the blank spaces and the second loop is used to print the stars. So in the first loop, we set spaces is equal to 1 initially and we define if the number of blank spaces is less than or equal to our function value, then this loop will run and print blank spaces. For example, we know the function value for the first row is 3. Then we run the loop 3 times to print 3 blank spaces. And once this loop take exit, then second while loop will run to print star values in the same row. Like for the first row, the value of I will be 1. So it will print 1 star only and then take exit. We will then increment the value of I and continue with the program.